Seconds. The handiwork of my husband, guys. These are so pretty. Tiled bathroom. Tub, new tub. Jacuzzi. Almost done now. You have the fixtures and then something just have to fix. Ready. Laundry room. Linen closet. You turn the light off? Wow, it's nice. That's the basement. Yeah, quite a few more stuff to do. Up, 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 up. So it's a kit. Oh, the kitchen is a small kitchen. So this one is what? This is the living room. Living and dining.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, you have an upstairs too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here you go.
Yeah, nice. It's pretty. You did a very good job. Look at the flooring, guys. So pretty.
Recess lights.
Fantastic.
Got them very long.
Huh? That is so pretty. So we'll go upstairs. We'll go upstairs. I'll come back and I'll check in the kitchen. So have you finished up the step painting? We're going to the step. Polyurethane?
Yeah.
Okay. Whew. So this one is our first bedroom? Oh. The bedroom is small though. Closet. Ceiling fan. Oh. So you have to put on the light fixtures need to be done. Okay. This was the closet.
The bathroom.
Oh.
That's how we put the bathroom in the basement.
Oh.
Much space.
Okay. So we like this one. Oh. Bathroom, shower. Vanity. Toilet. Oh, oh, mostly new windows and stuff they put in it. Nice. Very nice. But the room for this place is small though. This one over the closet. Oh, it's that. Oh, okay.
That's small.
Oh. Closet. Wow. Put on all fixtures and the lights then. So this is the master bedroom? This is the master bedroom?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Not that big, you know.
Yes, very small. Master bedroom. That's the closet. Master closet.
Master.
I think more than prefer use the basement for my bedroom. Because the basement bigger than this. You know? Yeah. I'll put the master bedroom in the basement. Wow. It's good. Yep. Very nice. Going back downstairs, guys. This is the entrance.
Yeah, this is outside.
Close the door lock properly.
Tight outside.
You tired as too? Tight. You sure it's not locked?
Yeah, the bottom look, yes. Window.
So you don't have the key for it?
Not the inside, but outside.
It's the outside, guys. I don't have any access to go out there, but it's closed. It's very pretty. All new windows. Beautiful home. And this is the dining room area. Dining room and entrance way. Oh, it's not finished painted. That's why it look like that.
Yeah,
Oh. Oh, this is the kitchen. All new appliances.
yeah.
Awesome.
About half bathroom.
Awesome. Huh?
There's a half bathroom there, so.
All new appliances. Who clean that? Who clean the
You don't clean it. You have to find out cleaning.
And there's a half bathroom here. Needs a lot of cleaning up.
When it's finished, we come back and take the kitchen.
Nice.
We're going to put another door here, so to get close to the kitchen.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to put one more door.
Yeah, definitely. New everything. So this one, why they put this kitchen so small if you have such a big island in it?
Oh, but
Huh?
they have a cabinet
So where they
space.
gonna okay. Wow. And they can put a couple bars too right there, so yeah? Nice. Okay. Turn off the light over there. Nice recessed lighting kitchen. Beautiful.